Page number 9. The Quran as it explains itself.
Al-Baqarah, 2:15. God will return their mockery to them, and leave them to wander in their arrogance, blindly stumbling to and fro. Al-Baqarah, 2:16. They have bought straying at the expense of guidance. But their trade will go bankrupt. Because they have not set their caravan in the right direction. Muhtadi equals guided equals he who journeys in the right direction. Al-Baqarah, 2:17. Their example is that of a person who lights up a fire without adequate fuel. As soon as brightness surrounds them, the fuel is consumed and God His law takes away their light, leaving them in the dark where they cannot see. The pursuit of instant gains only grants them a fleeting satisfaction since they have forfeited the long-term goal. Al-Baqarah, 2:18. Deaf, dumb, and blind of reason. They will not return to journey in the right direction unless they use their perceptual and conceptual faculties. See verses 8:22, 16:76, 17:36. Al-Baqarah, 2:19. Another example is that of a rainstorm from the sky with darkness, thunder, and lightning. They plug their ears with their fingers for fear of death. And God encompasses the deniers. Plugging the ears will not make the storm disappear since denial is no solution to any problem. His changeless laws are implemented in the universe without any exceptions and none can escape them. See verses 7:183, 14:8, 29:54, 30:24. Al-Baqarah, 2:20. Page number 9.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them, so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences. Quran chapter 65 at Talaq verse 12.